Hello. So today I will talk in my newsletter, I hope you read it, about the creative app which I'm building, the AI app, where we can host different website projects which all have AI tools integrated. For example, fashion houses or designers, they can all use the app and can use the different tools. And I also will talk about the new FLUX model, the FLUX Kontext, which basically can create images intelligently, like the ChatGPT images can do it. So that's a free model. I think it will be free or open source, so people can use it and embed it into their apps. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to experiment more with it. And I got featured in the Damn magazine, which is super cool. So I'm very proud of that. Thanks, Damn magazine. And yeah, thanks for watching.